Hello and welcome to Fun About the Talk. My name is Sander and this is our 2006 BMW 325iX. It's powered by a 2.5 litre straight 6 petrol engine with 218 horsepower divided on all 4 wheels. And today we're going to give you a short tour. So this car is equipped with a full brown leather interior, dual climate zone and a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Let's take a look at the engine. So this is the glorious engine I was talking about. It's BMW's 2.5 litre straight 6 petrol engine, no turbos. 218 horsepower mounted to a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Check out all our cars on fin.no. We have several cars like this, also other cars. And please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you guys for watching and drive safely.